In the last video I was explaining about the importance of hero content and how it aids conversion of online opportunities. But if people don't find your website in the first place, it is to no avail. So in this video I'm going to explain what hygiene content is and how powerful it is to drive inbound traffic into your website. Hygiene content is the kind of content people are searching for right now. They've got a problem and they need a solution to it. So a type of content you could be creating would be a how-to. How do you solve this problem? Explaining in depth how you go about that process. Another popular piece of content is versus. So looking at one product versus another. You could even review your own services. You could say there's a reason why you would buy this particular kind of support package from you or service package from yourself versus another product that you already offer. It's this kind of content that will drive inbound inquiries because people are searching for this content, and that's what's key. They're going to Google and they're searching for how do I solve this problem. So the theme for hygiene is all about clarity. It's the clarity in your information that people will be craving, honest information solving their problems. And the more that content you can put out, the likelihood of them actually asking you to fix another problem is increasing article by article.